Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Facebook Story black screen problem. So if your Facebook stories are not loading and only showing a black screen, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Now tap on the search bar and type Facebook. Open the Facebook app page and check if there's an Update button. If yes, tap on it and update the app. This often fixes bugs and glitches automatically. Once the update is done, open Facebook and try watching a story again. If the problem is still there, don't worry, let's move to the next step. Now find and long press on the Facebook app icon, tap App Info. From here, tap Force Stop to make sure the app is fully closed. Next, let's clear out any corrupted files. In the same App Info menu, tap on Storage. First, tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. This removes any temporary files or glitches that could be causing the black screen. If you're still seeing a black screen, the last step is to report the problem to Facebook so they can fix this glitch faster. Open Facebook, go to your profile, tap the 3-line menu, select Help and Support, then tap Report a Problem and choose Continue to report a problem. Next, tap Include, then scroll down and tap Stories. Here, write a short message like Facebook Story Black Screen Problem. You can also attach a screenshot of the black screen issue. Once you're done, send it. This helps Facebook identify and fix the bug quicker, especially since many users are facing the same issue right now. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily fix the Facebook Story black screen problem and get your stories working again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.